Most people see a new game console, but when I look at this, I see the start of a journey. I didn't start Heatsinq just to play games. I started it to see where this medium goes next. This is the 30th anniversary PlayStation 5. It's a nod to the legacy, sure, but it's more about what it represents for my desk. I've spent a lot of time getting this space ready, and having this here feels like setting the foundation. It's not just the hardware, it's the tool I'll be using to explore the world I care about the most. And I'm not looking just rattle off specs or get lost in the weeds of technical data. You can find that anywhere. For Heatsinq, my goal is simple. I want to share the experience of gaming, whether that's digging into a massive narrative or mastering a game's mechanics. I want to capture the moments that actually stand out. We have a lot of ground to cover, and I'm planning on diving deep into AAA titles very soon on this channel. It's about giving these games the time and focus they deserve. I'm looking for the things that make a game feel real, and I'm glad you're here to help me find them. This is Heatsinq, we have got a lot to build, and I'm ready to get to work. I'm Rahul, thanks for checking out the setup, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me.